Okay, so for our Thursday night lecture, we're going to cover cloud fundamentals and future trends because the cloud has been around for a while. And, there's a whole profession for folks who are interested in becoming cloud engineers, technicians. And so now the idea of the cloud is that it's just this huge place that we can do compute in many different ways. Most people don't even realize when they're hitting the cloud. And that's why I like this first video, and I've used it for a little while. And I was like trying to find something that I felt was a little more current, but I liked it because I think it explains some of those things that for those of us that use the cloud, we may not think about. And as you're in this industry, you want to think about the service models for how the cloud is can be used. And these terms, last, SaaS, and PaaS, you will see these, you'll hear these, and so I think having a good introduction to them is great. And then the scalability, and this is not a long video, okay? So, and then the second one you're going to watch is a more current one talking about how is the cloud being impacted by AI, right? So AI and everything. And so in this case, instead of just taking straight notes, I want you to actually answer the questions that have been laid out, because I think these are what I would like you to walk away with, not think. I want you to walk away with an understanding of. Okay, so then you will have 6 commits total that you will do for these, right? Because you have 2 questions here, 3 questions there, and then you have 1 for the setup itself. And so in here, shouldn't be a surprise, lectures, and then create cloud, and then create the README. Okay, so then you'll do a commit for that, and then for each of those points. Okay, so again, this is hopefully a good combination of fundamental knowledge and then kind of contemporary knowledge about what's happening right now. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. Talk to you later.